Park Revivers.
I'm Dushin.
I'm Rituparna.
And I'm Isha. We are studying in grade 8 at Excel Public School, Kurgali, Mysore.
The theme of our project is environment and climate sustainability, and the problem statement is to build solution to make every citizen in India adopt environment, climate, life movement. The main aim of our project is to convert urban parks into biodiversity rich parks. Our project is divided into two components. First, convert an urban park into biodiversity park. Second, propose to tax schools and colleges near the urban park.
The concept of the urban park as an open space for community use arose in the 19th century and have become vital in towns and cities around the globe. An urban park offers recreation and green space to residents and visitors of the area. They help to fight pollution, encourage biodiversity in city centers, and help to control temperatures and humidity.
As per the interview with Ms. Vinaya, Assistant Director, Horticulture, MODA, there are 157 urban parks maintained by Mysore Urban Development Authority, MODA, in Mysore City, out of which 14 parks have been developed and handed over to the Mysore City Corporation, MCC, for the further development and maintenance. We also interviewed few park users regarding the maintenance of the parks.
We chose Muda Park in Dutt Gully, Mysore for our project. This park is also adopted by Excel Soft Technologies company situated in Hoot Gully, Mysore under the CSR initiative.
The park is spread across an area of 2 acres. The biodiversity index of the park at present is 0.75 with total of 11 species of trees, 2 species of birds, 3 species of butterfly and bees. Pongamia with 35 and neem trees 7, 1 white frangipani, 1 cassia and 1 banyan tree.
We have selected 40 parks in Mysore city and tagged them to their nearby schools and colleges.
We propose to increase the biodiversity of the park by introducing 35 new species of trees, shrubs, flowering plants that are native to Mysore region. We plan to increase the biodiversity index to 0.98 by introducing these 35 new species in the park within the next 3 years.
The main features of the model are as follows. First, planting of trees. Second, planting of seasonal flowering plants. Third, herb garden. Fourth, QR code based tags. Fifth, rainwater harvesting and water conservation measures. Sixth, natural gravel walk path.
The three of us studied various research papers and the case studies on biodiversity and urban parks. We searched for solution and developed our research document.
Thank you.